What's up, everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. This is an as promised video. I promised a few of the other Volvo V8 owners what does the inside of the power steering reservoir filter, what does this look like in here. So we're going to take the one I took out of my car with 128,500 miles on it, and we're going to go ahead here and cut it open and take a look at it and see how's it look, etc, etc, because I kind of forgot to put that in the long video that I had made prior with the valve cover gasket. Okay, really doesn't look as bad as I thought it would look. Now obviously I got some white crumbs in here from the plastic, but it really doesn't look bad at all. I probably would have been okay to not replace the bottle, but you never know. And I suspect that this is original to the car, and I really didn't want to take the chance of the power steering pump going out. You just never know, and this is a lot cheaper. It's $61 to replace every 100,000 miles as opposed to the pump itself. So let me grab a flashlight. Maybe we can take a look and see if we can kind of see through it. Well, shining the light through doesn't really, it's not really making any difference. If anything, looking at this, it looks to me like it's cleaner than I'm shocked at actually how clean this is. So I probably would have been fine keeping this, but you just never know. I think if your car's over 100,000 miles and you know for sure that it's the original bottle, I think it would not hurt to change it. But you know, if you're cheap, I guess, and you don't want to spend $61 or whatever for the bottle. I mean, you can get reproductions as well. I don't know, because this one says made in Italy. I think the factory one I just put on the car said made in Italy on the bottom as well. But the reproduction ones, they might be just as good. I mean, this fabric is, someone had posted a question on the valve cover replacement video, and they asked me what's the cloth made out of. It's very similar to what's in your fuel tank. It's the same stuff, like your built-in pre-strainers or whatever that's in majority of cars today inside the inside the fuel tank at the fuel pump. So it's basically the same stuff. So there you go. Sorry if that wasn't very exciting, but sacrificed the bottle here to open it up for you guys to take a look. I mean, I probably would have just thrown it in the recycle bin anyway. And so there you go. Thanks for watching. If you like these Volvo S80 V8 videos, I have a whole playlist. The link will be down below. Be sure to subscribe. It's free. It can't be free. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. And I will see you guys later. All right. Have a good night. See you later. Bye now.